Oh my God, just the weekend was amazing. And it was only food and the cinema, but the fact he remembered our 8-month anniversary, he's so sweet. Did I tell you he brought me a rose? It was scarlet, but it was cute. And he's been flat out texting me all morning. This Lynch nearly caught me with my phone in maths. Chat later, Jules. Mwah. Paul O'Leary. Saw your pic, thought you might like this. Jules, Paul O'Leary just sent me a photo of himself in the shower. I know. Why would he do that?